Sunday morning. We're coming to the last Sunday of this month. And we prepare to meet the 9th month of 2018.
Hi everyone, so welcome. I am at seminary, just arrived here this morning. Alright, we just arrived and there is Jesus, my Savior. Get off the bed. Get ready, son. Hurry up.
Say good morning, Bruno, to the camera. See, such a cute dog, and he looks lying like this. Look. See?
Hurry up.
Oh, what the?
Yeah, well, mình làm không ạ?
Where's B? Put it up and protect that.
Well, you gotta put it up. You can't damage the walls.
Garage? Oh, it's come with a. It comes with a thing.
Show me a projector.
Ready for the last day.
We are late. It's 6:20. Seminary started at 6. Oh, it's freezing. But good morning, everyone who's just tuned in. Welcome to this beautiful morning, the beautiful sun. Now I'm sitting in the car waiting for Zion, and our petrol is almost on E. If you can see there. So here we are. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
These are gonna be famous. Say hi.
This is nice.
So these are the Scentsy products. If you
Oh
want.
my God.
Hi, so we finished the party. Now we're here. Everyone's gone to buy their own lunch. So we'll have tea.
Have a lemon tea.
Cheers. Happy Father's Day. Waiting for what?
Hello, first day people. It's lunchtime. So we use. Oh,
Thank you. Hi. So we're having lunch.
Here we get for lunch.
What are you eating?
Got some soup, some chicken,
Crispy chicken.
some crispy chicken.
This is the crispy chicken noodle soup. If you're in Inala, this is where you'll find the finest soup. Crispy chicken noodle soup. Yum. Okay, this is for baby Jiren. So Jiren is still in hospital. There's some. So it's been a while since I posted anything on Facebook. Had to find her kid. So these are all Nana and Papa's kids all here. Say hi, Marianne. Say hi. Bakule bhai. Hit his back. You know what it is. Spring. Yeah. Polo kuah. Come here. What is it? Come here. I'm sitting here. I thought. Sit there. Sit there. Don't be down. Sit next to you. Sit here. Go make good. Run. And you won't stop. So yeah, this is for baby Jiren. He was born 2 days ago and he's still in hospital. It's Beverlina, my cousin's baby, their firstborn. And me, Marianne, the Isu. So it's like just a get together. Emma, me kau ikan le. Shalin, cepat aku.
Are you? No way. Are you waving off the ground? No. There's cupcake here. Yeah, Shelly.
So happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day! Happy Father's Day! Let's play all together! Play all together!
Behind there. It's at the back there. Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. To who?
Yeah, text your mate. Wait, Papa, I'm
just getting the family check from Starboard.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Woodstock. Mau live here kau lo. Mau live here kau lo.
Pakapolo.
Oh, your popcorn. Lelaki the movie.
Yeah, popcorn.
Yeah, lelaki my protraction. You're not finished. Sing. Okay. Oh, there's batteries up there. Loving you till 17. I'm thinking now we found the right very Father's Day, everyone. Merry Christmas. Hey, anh có mày. Anh có mày. Oh, so late.
49 minutes.
Oh, yep. Did they arrive? Hey.
Batteries for the mic.
Yeah, batteries.
All of me.
All of me. Yeah, can you change the battery? Ale, Ola. Can you make that? Yeah. Chi luôn ạ, chi luôn. Why? Why? Chi luôn ạ.
Would you dance if I asked you to dance? Would you run and never look back?
So that's his new projector. Well, I need a battery. Oh, I don't mic lift though. Is it working? Yeah. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah.
Hi guys, this is a street party over at 61
For me, Gurney.
for McGurney Street in Richlands. Get over here now. It's jam packed as you can see. Come on, we got security guards. Come on, guys. Come on.
Yeah. Oh, yep.
Just come all
So
the
packed.
way from America. This is Beyonce, everybody. Beyonce, say hi.
Beyonce. Town. Beyonce.
Beyonce's actually
Okay.
Oh.
We've got ABBA. We've got ABBA here.
Abba? Abba? Abba?
And we've got Whitney Houston.
Whitney Houston?
Anzi, adesso. Ma poi. Ok, va.
Thank you. Beyonce and Whitney, everyone.
They've excluded me from the party. They've excluded me from the party.
Who has? You are not the father. Everybody, it's happening right now at 61 Formigino. 61 Formigoni Street, Richlands. Get down here now while you can. Quick, the food is popping. Oh God, the rave is vibing. Come on down, guys. Come on down. Yeah? That's it. Party for one. See, if you don't make it into the entrance, you can see me backstage. Show them your Smirnoff. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Father's Day, Daddy. Good morning. Sorry we didn't have no card, but we'd like to send a message to you this morning that you'll have a great day. I'd like to say thank you for everything that you do, working early in the morning and putting food on the table for us so we can eat, and thank you for giving us stuff so we can work on. And I know you ground a lot, but you do that so we can learn, and so I can learn from my mistakes. And one day I hope I'll follow, be the person that you want me to be. And yeah, and love you and happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day, Dad, today. Wishing you all the best, and God bless you, Dad. And I hope you have a good day today. And thank you for everything you do for us, and especially for me as well. And so comparing you to the prodigal son in the Bible, and the father, he always forgives the son, and he always wants the best for his son no matter what, and he loves his son. And I compare you to him, and I love you, Dad, and thank you for all your sacrifice for us and for all these things. And yeah, and Bruno said Happy Father's Day as well, and yes, he says Happy Father's Day.
This song we'd like to dedicate to you.
From the bottom of our hearts, Manuia Susasama. O te leilo aira le watu e tui tiga, tiga le alofa na te sae luaina. O te leilo aira le alofa e anata, ana le se noa o e o te le nailoa.
Happy Father's Day, Dad.
Happy Father's Day, Dad.
Love you.
Hi. Happy Father's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Say hi, what's up? Off to lunch. What's up? What's up? You so mom? How's your daddy's Father's Day? Good. Why is it good? Did you shout him?